to house, Sophia.
It's under the house.
Yeah. What's in there?
It's for the Paw Patrols.
Whoa, yeah.
It's all for the Paw Patrols.
Adi.
When you hang, then you not get wet.
Yeah. And we go all the way up there.
Mama?
So we went up there. It's good up there, right?
Last time
And
we
then
go with Ansel,
we seen it, all the reindeer up here.
Mama, last time we hanged in the trees with Fafa.
Yeah, we seen up there with Auntie Natalie. Come on. Hold. Let's see. We can see.
Last time we go with Fafa here and Mama.
Did we? Okay, come. Hold Mama hand.
Mama,
Yeah.
why have we not gone to the Wendy's?
Because it's not reindeers and hold Mama hand. Yeah.
I want to go to the swing.
You enjoying your walk, Sophia? Good.
But the swing is just here. That time we seen it.
We've been here.
Yeah.
We've been here many times, Papa.
Papa, taking a video to you and see.
Oh yeah?
Oh no, Papa. Stop it. You're ruining Mom. No, it's not this side, Sophia. And there is Elizabeth. What's that? What did you get?
An acorn, a big one.
Wow. Okay, hold. And do you think this is the right way, Sophia? This is the right way, the one we went last time? No.
He's telling lies.
No, no. It's the morning walk with the two grumpy girls. Look at that, beautiful, all the trees there, all the leaves. Yeah. Look at that one.
Oh, what happened with that tree?
Whoa, it's been too heavy. They can't hold it up anymore. They just give up. Oh, this is nice, this place, Sophia.
Because you don't see it coming the other way.
Oh,
Water
yeah.
for the ducks again. Yeah.
Look there.
Again!
Again, yeah.
Again, Papa.
It is. It's water again for the ducks.
Oh, yeah.
More water. Oh yeah. Look at the hills where the deers are hiding. Can you
Where's
see
all
one?
the deer? Call
I
them.
see that. If you don't shut up.
Call them. Oh. Not to stamp, they say. Find the hiding place with the girls, Adi. Okay, let's go. This way. Let's go and live with Papa and Ate. Papa is stopped now, yeah? Walk, Sophia. Let's go. Go this way. Ignore Papa. one nice there. We'll find that places here. Yeah?
You put the swings there.
There's no swings there. It doesn't have swings there. Look. See all the trees. Look. How beautiful. Mm.
Oh yeah. That's little ant holes where they eat.
Go on at the walk.
What's that down?
Oh, look at in there. That beautiful. Whoa. There's Papa go that way. And Sophia. And Mama and Sophia going this way. Right, Sophia? Yeah. Not beautiful? Hmm? Look, go out all the way. And we came from that area, and there is Sophie and Adam and Elizabeth. Okay, let's go this way. So we can go down there.
Mama,
Yeah.
where's the troll gonna?
What?
Where's the troll?
The troll? I don't know. Go and call them. You need to say, troll, troll, where are you? We come here to find you. Make sure you hide it well. So, Sophia and Elizabeth, been cheeky now. Look at them faces. Ooh.
Mama,
Yeah?
you want that?
What, you want that?
Mama,
Wow. No, not picking up. That one you had already enough. Lots of them.
it's not here.
Not there. There is Papa and Elizabeth. Go and pick it up then. So stop crying. Go and pick it up. Go and pick it up, Sophia.
Go down here. No.
Let's go and go down there. Pick it up, that one, Sophia. Go and pick it up. Mama's waiting for you. Pick it up. All the way up. Son, close. There. Did you find it? Come on. Way. Well done. What did you find? Show Mama. What's that? Ooh, let's go now. Now it's getting darker in this area. But look, it's beautiful. Next time we're gonna go earlier so we can see inside, right? Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Sophia find the harder way again. Did you remember we used to walk here with Papa when you was a baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we used to go here and had a picnic.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's like taste good.
yeah. Oh, so quiet and peaceful walking around this area, aren't they? So
Mama,
beautiful.
do you want to drink?
Yeah,
Mama,
yeah.
want to drink?
It's your drink. It's in the car, so we're going back now. You can have some drink. Yeah, yeah. So we're going back. That nice. You enjoy your nice walk?
Yeah.
Good.
It's gonna be dark.
Yeah, it's gonna be coming rain, so we're gonna go back.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Come, Sophia. Can you pick that one? Come. Hold Mama hand. Wow, look at them. Okay, so all the tree. You find a nice way, baby girl. Well done. That nice, Sophia? Whoa.
That's a nice place.
What did you find there? What's in there?
House. There's like a house.
Oh, is that the troll house?
That is a Paw Patrol one.
Mm.
You have no Paw Patrol.
Love that one. They're all over there.
Yeah?
Mm.
Paw Patrol sleep here.
Are they?
Yeah.